Silver last week traded with moderate bullishness, delivering higher highs and higher lows, and yes, delivering increasingly bigger body size from the preceding week. Now, does this mean silver is going to give you a breakout move in the coming week? Can we expect silver to break 34, 34, 50 zone and move all the way towards 35, delivering similar size of candle or bigger? Yes, can we expect it to move beyond 35 as well? Or we can see signs of exhaustion and it is going to trade below 32, because see the drop, the retracement, and now it is going to drop all the way again towards 30. What is going to be our strategy in order to profit trading silver in the coming week? We are going to see with the help of charts and indicators. Towards the end of the update, I'll be sharing the trading levels, so do watch till the end. Subscribe, press the bell icon to get the notifications for my twice a day updates and targets for silver. Every day I share first update with the Asia and Europe session, next update before the US session, which keeps you updated, which keeps you in and informed and gives you logical levels so that you can trade profitably, trade with confidence, trade with logic every day. Thus, subscribe, press the bell icon, do like, share, and comment, join the free Telegram channel for live market updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start. When you look at silver's movement for the last multiple weeks, you can see entire almost a year is passed and silver is confining itself within a narrow zone. Yes, it is delivering a nice flag formation here. See the rise, the retracement, the rise, the retracement, the rise here, retracement, and see it is keeping itself intact in this bullish channel, in this nice flag formation. Very important now for it to break beyond 34.50, $35 zone, and once it breaches this, then you can say now silver is aiming all the way towards 37. Possibilities there. But right now, when you look at the move, what it has delivered for the last few weeks, see, first of all, the resistance here was intact at 34, 34.50. What has happened? We have seen a sharp slump. It has come down all the way towards the 100 period moving average and now trying to bounce. See, the moving averages on the weekly charts are still staying bullish, trading with divergence, and the price is trading beyond 20 period. It's a good sign. Now it is very important for silver to break below 32 and 31.40 zone. If at all in the coming week you see silver trading below 32 and 31.40, remember, once it breaches 32 and 31.40, it is going to deliver a strong bearish candle, possibly, which might take it in fact towards 30.50 or $30 levels, or in fact lower all the way towards 29. Possibility exists here, because once it breaches this zone, it is going to deliver a bigger move. However, right now when you see the last few candles, you can see increasing body size, opening on a bullish note and moving towards 34. You can say now it is not going to come back. We will look forward to a further rise all the way towards 34, 40, 50, or in fact $35 zone here as well. Let's watch out more. See, the stochastic is starting to rise. It's a good sign for the bulls. When you see the MACD, it is almost staying and it's on the verge of a crossover here. Now see, it has delivered diminishing move here, and now if it breaks out, it may deliver a stronger move. Right now, I will say you have to still be cautious and watchful at the current levels. A drop below 32 and 31.40 might take it all the way towards the bottom here. Though when you track the movement, look at the formation here. See, this is how it has formed double top. Then it has come down all the way towards the neutral line. The momentum was diminished. Then a strong breakout is seen. Now it has come down all the way. So this is a replica. Look at the formation here. Almost it is getting replicated here. And now if it breaks out, it is going to deliver a stronger move. Be watchful of this. The RSI is rising here, which is a good sign here. Coming to the daily chart, my worry lies with the daily charts, because see, this is how it has been trading: lower highs, lower lows. So on the daily charts, it is not suggestive of a breakout, and thus very important for silver to trade above 34. And if it does, then we can say the bulls are back in action and we can look forward to a stronger rise. Now on the daily charts, another important point to note here is the support it has created, first at 32, 50, 40, then at 32. Very strong support exists till here. So at least till 32 we should not be treating silver as bearish. At least till 32 we have to be careful with the selling position, and in fact I will say till 31.40, 31.50 you should not be treating silver is bearish. That is the first part to it. Now also notice on the daily charts, what did we discuss in our last update? See, it is forming a reversal sign here, and this could erase the gains from this candle. It has moved closer but closed half the way here. So now when the next candle starts, and if you see a down move, if you see it is staying below 32.80 and then 32.50 40 zone, you can say now the bears are back. We can look forward to 32 here, and once it breaches 32, we can say now this is the time for silver to deliver a correction. Notice the drop, the retracement, and the drop here might take it all the way lower towards 28. However, on the longer time frame, on the weekly and monthly charts, this is not the case. A breakout on the upside can still be expected here. The stochastic here on the daily charts is slightly overbought. Look at the MACD, it is crossed over at the bottom, trading with divergence, is staying bullish, looking upwards. And see, it is these are the levels from which it shows the bounce back, and it is ready to show a reversal as well. The first 2 to 3 candles are going to be important. A breakout beyond 34 should take it on the upside, should take it towards 35 as well. Possibility exists strong, but right now when you look at the daily charts, this is the only concerning point. It has to break beyond 33.80 $34 zone, which is going to hold a stronger, which is going to act as a stronger resistance for silver for any upside move. RSI is trading comfortable. Coming to 4 hour chart, on the 4 hour chart, see, after this greater dip, it has found a support at the 50 period moving average. With that as support, prices have started to rise, and it is closed at the critical resistance zone at 33.10. 33.10, one of the key levels, what we had seen here, it is offered a greater resistance, and when it breaches, when it breaks out, it delivered a massive move. The next targets are going to be towards 33.40 50, and then this is the most important zone. You can see a double top here at 33.70. This also we have discussed in our daily charts, that from double top prices might drop. So now beyond 33.78, it should be treated as bullish. Also see this is how it has been trading: higher lows, higher highs. It is staying in a bullish channel. It has to give you a breakout either below 32 31 40 or beyond 34 34 50. Let's see which direction it tries to deliver this breakout. A stochastic at bottom here. The MACD, if you look at on the 4 hour charts, has crossed over. It is trading with divergence, and see, we have seen a stronger rise. Now it is trying to reverse. This might take it towards the bottom again. Yes, possible. But again, the critical levels you should watch out is at 32.50, then 32, and then 31.40 50. Very, very strong support exists till then. RSI has dropped, signs of bearishness here, but this also calls for a reversal. Coming to the monthly chart, on the monthly charts, look at the long term time frame here for silver. It is created a base, created a strong support here at around $13-14 levels, and then we have seen a good spike post COVID where it has moved towards $30 levels. Since then, a retracement, and now see, look at the move here: rise, consolidation, rise, consolidation. So I can also see that it is trying to keep itself intact in this largely bullish channel. It has hit the lows this month and trying to recover. Now, this is going to be important where it closes this month. If at all it closes beyond 34 50 35 zone, we can expect that the coming month is going to be a breakout month where silver prices might head all the way towards 37 or 38. Possibility is there, but as long as it closes in red, because see, if you notice the movement, the rise here, the retracement, the rise here, the retracement, the rise here, the retracement, always with couple of greener candles, it follows with couple of red candles, red green. It could follow with couple of bearish ones. And now notice this, the support here at 28.80 and 28, very, very strong support exists for silver till $28 levels are not taken. Below 28 is where we can say now the prices are turning bearish. As long as 28 is respected, you have to be careful with the sales. Now 28 is not far beyond. See, we have seen these levels in this month itself, 28-30 levels, and kissing the levels, it has shown a bounce back. And hence the coming month, first of all, the closer of the current candle, where it closes, the second candle, how it starts, and a drop below 31 should be taken up seriously, where we should be seeing 29 $28 in the month of May. Stochastic here is rising, the MACD here is rising, it is in green looking upwards, and it has still scope for forming a double top. RSI is placed comfortably. So now we have seen the charts and indicators. Time for me to give you the trading levels and strategy. And before I provide you the trading levels and strategy, if you want to learn this art of trading, you can be part of my 30-second mentorship batch starting 5th of May. Limited seats are available. See, it is very, very important to learn the strategies and the tools which can help you identify profitable trade strategies and which can help you trade with profits and with confidence. Thus, do not miss to join this mentorship batch. Always invest in your learning first. Reach out to me for your queries. My Telegram and email IDs are there in the channel and video description. And if you are looking forward to a broker which offers you SAP-free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, easier transactions and withdrawals from across the globe, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. And those who are just willing to trade as per the signals, you can be part of my signals channel as well. Connect with me for any of your queries related to any of the services. Now, first thing is where to buy. I will recommend you to buy now at 33.20 since it is closed at 33.10. Any move upwards towards 33.20, you can initiate the buy. Expect it to move towards 33.40, 50 as the first target zone. Very, very nearby. 33.70, 80 as the next one, and then you can expect it to move towards 34.20, and once 34.20 is taken, we can look forward to 34.85, $35 levels. Possibility exists once it trades beyond 34.20, we can look forward to a move all the way towards 35. Beyond 35, stay bullish for 35.5, 36.2, 37. See, silver has so far stayed muted, and once it delivers a breakout, possibly in the coming week or in the next few weeks, we may see it heading higher, and then in fact we can see it hitting the highs at 38 as well. However, right now I will say it is not showing such a strength. It is almost dead. It is almost trading with negligible bullish momentum, and thus a breakout is what you should wait for. A move beyond 34, 34.4, 34.5 should be a good indication for further bullishness. On the downside, I will recommend a selling entry at 32.8 levels. Below this, expect it to move towards 32.5, 32.4 zone. This is the very strong support zone. In fact, 32.20 and then 32. Till here, it has got very good support. Below 32, I think we are looking forward to a move towards 31.50, 31, 30, 40, 30, 29.2, $28 levels very, very soon. It is going to be difficult for silver to deliver such a strong move, but yes, these are markets. Already we have seen these levels in this current month itself. I will definitely watch out where it closes the month. If it closes somewhere here at around 31.50, 31, we can expect bearishness in the coming month as well, where the prices might head towards 29 or in fact $28 levels, which are going to remain the critical support levels for silver. Let's wait. Right now, it appears it might deliver a breakout soon, and coming week is going to be critical for silver. Take your trades, take your positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel. Reach out to me for any of your queries. Join the free Telegram channel for live market updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading week ahead and a happy weekend. Thank you.